Greetings and salutations, Rod here. Let's install the SW-Motech engine guards on my Honda CB650F. Let's start with a quick unboxing. I ordered these from Fortnine, as you can see. They have been out of stock for over a year. Earlier this year, I reached out to SW-Motech to see if I could purchase directly from them. They responded stating there was a specific Canadian distributor that I would have to order from, and it was out of stock for another 2 months. In the meantime, it came back in stock at Fortnine and I ordered it instantly. So here we are. I expected them to be inside another box from SW-Motech, but I guess the bubble wrap saved on shipping. But they are wrapped well. Lots of bubble wrap here. Here's the first guard. And here's the second. Packaged with the brace is the mounting hardware. And finally, here's the brace. Everything is built really well. I am very happy with the quality and the finish. The installation is super simple. Remove 2 bolts on each side.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you.
They were both quite snug, but they eventually came out.
Never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
The instructions state to add some thread lock. Each bolt is different and needs to go in a specific location. Included were washers and some spacers. The right-hand side gets the long spacer. Once the bolts are in, the instructions state what to torque each bolt to. I added a shop brake to protect the finish. Side 1 done. I love the looks already.
That I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
The second side is the exact same, but it gets the shorter spacer. Once both sides are torqued down, the center brace simply bolts onto each side. Once again, I use some thread lock. And that's it. I really like how this simple modification gave a much more masculine look. Very GS-like, in a good way. Honestly, this may be my favorite visual modification to the motorcycle yet. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.